Sa akin, sir, almost 10 years contribution ko. Tapos self-employed na po ako. May chance ba na maka-avail ako ng housing loan? Thanks. Hi, sir. Ang tanong niyo po is concerning Pag-ibig Housing Loan, right? Sige po. I will answer your question. Dagdagan din natin ng mga answers pa. Apart from eligibility ng housing loan, how much po ang ma-loan ninyo and paano mag-apply ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan? Please watch the full video, sir. Concise lang po ito, direct to the point, and with example. Let's get started. First question, ano po ang eligibility ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan? Answer, you must have the following to qualify for the loan or Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Number one, at least 24 monthly membership savings. Lump sum payment of the required monthly membership savings is allowed. Ibig sabihin, sir, 2 years active member tayo ni Pag-ibig. So kung hindi tayo member pa ni Pag-ibig, pwede natin bayaran one time lump sum payment ang 2 years. In your case po, sabi mo 10 years member na kayo. Qualified po tayo, sir. Very qualified. Okay, number two, age of not more than 65 years at the date of application and not more than 70 years of maturity of the loan. I understand, sir, bata po tayo, no? Siguro mid-30s kayo or early 40s, right? So qualified kayo, sir. Number three, legal capacity to encumber real property. So I believe, sir, Filipino tayo. So hindi tayo foreigner. Pwede po. Number four, ability to pass satisfactory background slash credit and employment slash business checks o Pag-ibig Fund. So I believe, sir, meron kayong capacity to pay, meron kayong proof of income, meron kayong good record. Pwede po. Number five, no outstanding Pag-ibig short-term loan in arrears at the time of loan application. So importante, sir, kung may MPL kayo, dapat updated po para mag-qualify kayo sa Pag-ibig housing loan. Number six, no Pag-ibig housing loan that was foreclosed, canceled, bought back due to default or subjected to dation and pago. So, importante, wala kayong foreclosed property before, sir, no, na Pag-ibig. And lastly po, if with an existing Pag-ibig housing loan as a principal buyer slash borrower or co-buyer slash co-borrower, the account must be updated. So again po, updated po kung may housing loan kayo na co-borrower kayo, sir. So before we move forward to our second question, third question, so please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel muna. Alright? So second question, how much can I borrow with a Pag-ibig housing loan? Answer, number one, sir, up to 6 million po yung maximum na ma-loan sa Pag-ibig. The amount you may borrow, however, shall be based on the lowest of the following. So, number one, your actual need. Number two, your desired loan amount. Number three, your loanable amount based on your capacity to pay. And number four, loan to appraised value rate. For example, sir, 3 million po yung i-loan nyo sa Pag-ibig. So, bali po, titingnan niyan ni Pag-ibig, sir, kung ano yung appraisal value ng property. Tingnan po din nila yung capacity to pay nyo, yung proof of income, yung net pay ninyo, yung actual need, yung desired loan amount, whichever is the lowest po, sir. Halimbawa, 3 million yung desired loan ninyo, but then ang appraisal value 2 million lang, capacity to pay ninyo is 1.5 million. So 1.5 million na po ang ma-approve ni Pag-ibig. Kasi based po sa lowest amount ng apat. Yung actual need, desired loan amount, yung capacity to pay ninyo or proof of income, then appraisal value ng property. Right? Third question. How do I apply for Pag-ibig Housing Loan? Ayan, nandyan nakalagay po. You can easily apply for Pag-ibig Housing Loan by submitting your duly accomplished form and its requirements at any Pag-ibig Fund branch or through the accredited partner developer from whom you shall purchase your property. You may also take the first step in applying for a loan by visiting Virtual Pag-ibig. So may website po ang Pag-ibig, sir. Nandyan po. Clicking the Apply for or Manage Loans tab and choosing Apply for a Housing Loan. Ayan po yung instruction. So kung may time talaga tayo, sir, I suggest visit Pag-ibig branch. Kasi baka may mga follow-up question pa tayo, masagot agad ng mga frontliners ni Pag-ibig. But then, if teke tayo, magaling tayo sa computer, nasa bahay lang tayo, may internet tayo, pwede tayo sa virtual branch ni Pag-ibig. Yan, may website sila, pasok tayo dyan, and may mga instruction po. Follow through lang po sa instruction ni Pag-ibig. Right? So, yan po. Hope na nasagot ko yung question nyo, sir. Thank you for watching.